How to add a video in Streamit 4.0. Hello and welcome to the Streamit video management tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the video module in Streamit, where you can manage your entire video library, including adding new videos, organizing them into categories and tags, and creating playlists. Managing video categories. Let's start with video categories. Here, you can add a category name, a slug, and select a parent category if needed. You can also enter a description and upload a thumbnail image. Once you've filled in the details, simply click the Submit button. Your new category will be added to the list below, where you can edit, delete it, or view using the Actions menu. Next, let's move on to video tags. Just like categories, you can add a tag name, slug, and a description. After submitting the form, your tag will appear in the list, where you'll also find options to edit, delete it, or view. Adding a new video now, let's explore the Add Video section. Start by entering your video title and selecting the author. You can choose to set the video status as draft if it's not yet ready to publish. Then, provide a slug, upload a thumbnail, and write a brief video description. Tabs breakdown. General tab. Upload the video file or use an embed link or direct video URL. You can also select the video language. Categories. Tab. Assign one or more video categories. Tags. Tab. Assign one or more video tags. Upload a portrait image, link related WooCommerce products, and configure download options. Enter your SEO description, set the video as upcoming, define the duration, and optionally set a view count. Live streaming and membership, optional. If you have a live streaming plugin enabled, you can manage advertisements for each video. And if you're using Paid Memberships Pro, you can attach a membership plan to the video for restricted access. Once everything is set, click the Save button. Your video has now been successfully added. Managing video playlists. Lastly, you can create video playlists by entering a playlist, name, and slug. Once added, you'll see the playlist listed below, along with available actions like edit, view, or delete. That's it. You've now learned how to manage videos efficiently in Streamit. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Streamit's video features. For more guides and updates, stay connected.